Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your Coinbase account restriction issue. So in order to unrestrict your account, what you can do is, first thing, make sure that you're connected to your internet service, and also make sure to stick with us till the end. Basically, this kind of error usually occurs if there's some suspicious activity on your account, or if you're a victim of scam, there is some transaction issue on your account. So usually this kind of activities are related with your restriction of your Coinbase account. Now in order to fix this kind of error, what you can do is, first thing, you can ensure that your email address and a two-step verification step is secured, and after that you can also reset your password on your Coinbase account. And the third is that you can contact a customer support and then provide the following information, such as when was the last time that you were logged in and that you had authorized access of your account. In order to contact a customer support, you can either type in an email or you can directly contact it through a phone number. So what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in contact Coinbase support. After that, you'll be taken to this kind of interface, and you can contact on this toll-free number right over here. If you directly contact this toll-free number, then you'll be able to state about the issues and you'll be notified about the issue. If this is not convenient for you, then what you can do is you can slightly scroll down, and right in between you'll be able to find a list of articles such as how can I contact Coinbase support. So just click on this article, and then right over here you'll have a list of options and instructions on how you can contact a customer care, or you can simply tap on contact support in the right hand side bar, and after that you'll be able to type in your issue. In this way you can fix your Coinbase account restricted issue on a device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, then make sure to like, share, and also make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.